So hello everyone, once more welcome back to Educlynk. So today we are going to continue with a series of self exercise. So on exercise 2. Exercise 2 goes thus. 12.22 grams of potassium chloride decomposes as follows. So 2 potassium chloride giving potassium chloride or 3 oxygen. Determine the volume of oxygen released. In this case, we are going to make use of the stoichiometric equation. So the volume of oxygen released, the volume is at RTP. So make use of our balance equation. So the balance equation is potassium chlorate. So here we got solution. Potassium chlorate decomposed to give 2 potassium chloride plus 3 oxygen. So our solvent goes thus. We make use of the balance equation, the supplementary equation. So from the equation, what do we see? You see that okay, we have to calculate the molar mass of potassium chlorate. So molar mass of potassium chlorate equals to potassium is 39 plus chlorine 35.5 plus oxygen 16 times 3. Molar mass of potassium chlorate is 122.5 gram per mole. From the stoichiometric balance equation, we can use the mole ratio. We can say, okay, if 2 times molar mass of this guy is 122, if 2 times 122.5 grams of potassium chlorate give potassium chlorate give 3 times 34,000 cmk of oxygen, because this 24,000 represent the volume at RTP, and 3 is a stoichiometric coefficient. 3 is a stoichiometric coefficient. Then 12.25 grams of potassium chlorate is X. We make X the short of the formula. X equals to 12.25 times 3 times 24,000. All that divided by 2 times 2 times 0.5. So this one gives 0.1 mole. So here we have 2 cancel here. 2 here 1. Then 0.1 mole. The 0.1 mole cancel it. 1 lose oxygen. So we have now X plus 2. So this one gives 0.1. 0.1 cancel with 1 of the oxygen. We are left with 2 cancel, we are left with 12. So X is 1, 2, 0, 0 times 3. X equals 3 times 2, 6. 6. 3 times this is 3. Currently, CQ. That's the value of X. So if 2 times this give that, then 12.25 will give X. So we make X the subject of the formula, we cross multiply. So we need 12.25 times 3 times 24,000 divided by 2 times divided by 2 times 102.5. Knowing that this one and this one gives 0.1. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, because I left with 3 0. This and this 0.1, 0.1 times. That's the volume of oxygen released out. Thank you for watching and follow more on Educlynk.